Ever felt like you're missing out on something big? Like everyone's talking about this amazing new tool, but you just can't seem to get your hands on it? That's exactly how I felt about Gemini. I kept hearing all the buzz, seeing the demos, and I was itching to try it out for myself. But living here in Nigeria, it felt like it was miles away. If you're in the same boat, wondering how you can get Gemini available in Nigeria, then you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know, from the current availability situation to potential workarounds and how to stay updated on official releases. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question I've seen popping up everywhere. How can I get Gemini in Nigeria? It's a valid question, and unfortunately, the answer isn't as straightforward as we'd like. As of right now, Gemini's availability is limited to specific regions. Nigeria, unfortunately, isn't on that list yet. I know, it's disappointing. I felt the same way. But don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. First, let's talk about why these restrictions exist. There are a number of factors that influence a product's rollout in different countries. Things like local regulations, language support, infrastructure, and even market analysis all play a role. Companies like Google, who develop these AI tools, need to ensure a smooth and compliant launch in each region. This often means a phased approach, starting with select countries and gradually expanding as they work through the various logistical and legal hurdles. So, what does this mean for us in Nigeria? Well, it means we have to be a little patient. But patience doesn't mean we have to be passive. There are things we can do to stay informed and even potentially speed up the process. Here are a few things you can do while we wait for official access. Stay updated. The best thing you can do is keep your finger on the pulse. Follow Google's official channels, their blog, social media accounts, and any news releases. This is where they'll announce any expansions in availability. Join the waitlist. If available sometimes, companies offer waitlists for upcoming products. If Google offers a waitlist for Gemini in Nigeria, definitely sign up. This shows them there's demand in our region and can potentially prioritize future rollouts. Explore alternatives. While we're waiting for Gemini, there are other AI tools available that might offer similar functionalities. Exploring these alternatives can help you get familiar with the technology and prepare you for when Gemini finally arrives. Do your research and find tools that fit your needs. I'll even link some resources in the description below. Engage with the community, join online forums, communities, or social media groups where people discuss AI and Gemini. Sharing your interest and connecting with others who are also waiting can be a great way to stay motivated and informed. Plus, you might even stumble upon some unofficial tips or workarounds. Provide feedback. Don't be afraid to reach out to Google and express your interest in Gemini's availability in Nigeria. Respectfully letting them know there's a demand can be helpful. You can often find contact information or feedback forms on their websites. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Are there any unofficial ways to access Gemini right now? And the answer is complicated. You might come across VPNs or other methods that claim to grant access. However, I would strongly advise against these. Using unofficial methods can be risky. They might violate Google's terms of service, potentially compromising your account or even your data. Plus, these workarounds are often unreliable and might not provide the full Gemini experience. It's always best to wait for the official release to ensure a safe and supported experience. Remember, the rollout of new technologies is a process. It takes time and careful planning. While it's frustrating to wait, it's important to be patient and respectful of the process. By staying informed, engaging with the community, and exploring alternatives, you can make the most of this waiting period. I understand the excitement surrounding Gemini. It's a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize how we work and interact with technology. And believe me, I'm just as eager as you are to get my hands on it here in Nigeria. But the best way to ensure we get access is to be patient, stay informed, and show Google that there's a strong demand in our region. The more we engage, the more likely they are to prioritize Nigeria in their future rollout plans. So, what are you going to do while you wait for Gemini? Let me know in the comments below. Share your thoughts, your experiences with other AI tools, and what you're most excited about when Gemini finally becomes available in Nigeria. I'll also keep you updated on any news or announcements regarding Gemini's availability in Nigeria right here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any important updates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.